Hi, Eureka students. This is Mrs. Reichard again, one of the school counselors, and I am here to teach you about another tool. So, this week's tool is one that I feel is really cool, but it can take a lot of practice to use. This week's tool is the Using Our Words tool. Look, I got to put it up pretty close because it has tons of words on it. The reason it has tons of words is because the tagline to this tool is pretty long. So for the Using Our Words tool, the tagline is, I use the right words in the right way at the right time for the right reason. Phew, that's a really long tagline. But that's because we often are really great at using words to express how we feel or what's happening in our bodies. However, sometimes we don't always use the appropriate words, or perhaps we use our words in a time that's not appropriate as well. So, for this tool, we're making sure that we're using the right words. That means we're really trying hard to use kind words or words that are going to help solve a problem, words that are going to help let others know how we feel without hurting their feelings with what we are saying. Also, it says in the right way. So that sounds kind of tricky, but actually isn't. That just means when we're using our words, we're making sure that the tone of our voice, the way we say our words, really helps us to solve our problems. So let me give you an example. It's going to kind of seem funny. If I said, "Are you kidding me?" in two ways, it might make you feel differently each way. So here's the first way. "Are you kidding me?" That probably doesn't give you an uncomfortable feeling. That probably makes you think I'm asking you about a joke, right? Here's the second way. "Are you kidding me?" Did that make you feel a little bit different? It was the same words. They were just said in different ways. So that's why part of the tagline is saying words in the right way. So making sure we're saying words in a way that's going to help solve the problem or help others really hear what we're trying to say. The third part says at the right time. So let's give another example. If you really need to speak to your teacher about something that is bothering you, is trying to get your teacher's attention in the middle of the lesson a right time to use your words? Probably not. It's more appropriate to wait until your teacher is not busy teaching the whole class so that you guys can sit down together and really problem solve or make sure your teacher is really able to hear what you have to say. So you want to make sure it's at the right time. And the third, for the right reason. Are you talking to an adult to get your friend in trouble? Or are you talking to an adult to get help for a problem that you have? Those are two different reasons to use your words. Which one would be for the right reason? So that's why I say this tool is a little bit tricky because there's lots of parts to it. So I'll say it again. I use the right words in the right way at the right time for the right reason. So that's using our words. Now the icon is a pencil because our hand gesture is you're going to take your hand like you're holding an imaginary pencil and you're just going to write your initials in the air. So I'm going to write mine right now. And the reason that that is the icon or the icon and the hand gesture is because we really encourage everyone, not just students, but we encourage everyone to not only talk about your emotions, but also draw or write about them. Sometimes it can be really hard to talk about or articulate what is going on in our bodies, and it can be much easier for some of us just to write about it or even draw a feeling that really helps get the emotions out of our body. So this tool can be used for any one of these feelings. So right here we have lots of comfortable and uncomfortable feelings. This tool will help it. So if you're feeling embarrassed, can you use this tool? Sure can. How about if you're feeling happy? I think that's a great time. Maybe that's the time where you're letting others know what they did that helps you feel comfortable and happy. So as I mentioned, this is a really important tool. Sometimes it takes practice. But please know that all the adults at your school are here to help you practice this tool. Now, once again, I have homework for you. And your homework is to go home and to share this tool with someone in your house. Perhaps it's an adult that lives with you, or maybe you really feel like your sibling needs reminders with this tool, and this is something you can work on together. The reason this is your homework is because it always helps us remember what we're learning when we talk about it or teach it to somebody else. So as I said, it doesn't have to be a grown-up at home. Maybe it's a cousin or a sibling that you think could really benefit from learning this tool. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and that you find this tool as useful as I do. Have a great day. Bye.